What is up, everybody? This is your boy Elevated, man. You hear Elevated Travels, and we back at you guys' favorite spot, man. What's good with it, man? Drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. Don't forget to follow me on Scoops and Rumble coming very, very, very soon. Very soon, Rumble also for any kind of uncensored content, man. Let's get this ride going, bro. Let's take the usual route. Drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. You know how we do. We have a lot of fun out here, man. Riding around, getting good content for you guys to laugh off on, trip off on, whatever you go do off on. This mother's going. Yo, he pretty fast on that skateboard. I can't lie, bro. Like, what? We out here, man. Drop that like, drop that subscribe, bro. Oh, we got some popo action going on. I didn't even notice them, bro. What the hell? Let's see what's going on over there. I'll be back over there. I guess we already know what's going on over there, man. I'm gonna push back. We're gonna see if we can get a better glance. Oh man, why y'all got the hose on? Let's see if I can creep over here real quick, but I'll be pissing the cop off. Great. Doo-doo. Oh wow. Oh man. What you guys getting into? Right now, this is a Saturday. I don't really like uploading on Saturdays. I don't really think that people are really up YouTube's butt like that on the weekend. And then when you know you're being shadow banned, I guess, you know, whatever, it makes it even worse to upload on the weekend. So you guys might not see this till Monday. All right, man, we out here in the streets, man. South LA, Figueroa Street. Drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. Don't forget Scoops. I hope I'm saying that right. S-P-O-O-Z-S. I have no idea, but it's in the link, man. Go click that. Everything, and I hope it's not my motor. Something is definitely burning. Elevated news, elevated reporting. I ain't trying to be around this too long. Oh, there it is. Gotcha. He's like, leave me alone. We out, bro. Sorry. Oh, here come the police. Okay, we're gonna creep right by the popo, going ever so slowly. It's something, I have no idea what's going on, but I'm gonna pretend like I am pedaling. That's going.
Last week on Monday night.
All right, so we pushing north Old Fig right now, man. So yeah, man, you guys go on ahead and drop that like. Go on ahead and drop that subscribe for your boy. We out here in South LA, Figueroa. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, I had to, bro. I had to. Now I'm out. Like the wind. I'm out here for you guys, man. Not sure what that was, but I don't think it was weed because it looks like he's been smoking it and I ain't smelled nothing right here, like at all. I did smell something that kind of resembles what I think it was. That's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, bro. I mean, but it was probably always contained in like one general area that you knew, like, hey man, you know, look at this man, you know, he happy.
Él quiere cambiar tu vida, bendito Dios. Él quiere libertarte. Él quiere cambiar.
Fun times out here, fun times. I'm gonna have fun censoring this video. I'm censoring everything, bro. Everything. My bad, bro. I'm sorry. Even though I was never in any danger of hitting him, but I guess when he saw me, he just freaked out. All right, man, we go ahead back down this way. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. We got a lot going on out here. Oh no, don't be trying to hide it. I'll be having too much fun out here, bro. What's going on out here? What the? He ain't worried about me, whatever it is. It's somewhat of a nice police presence out here today. Who you know is out here in South LA? Figueroa more than your boy, even though the main spot that I would like to put the content on doesn't really like it, but we're gonna get out here some other spots. I see look real quick from the, oh okay, thanks for that. Hey, thanks. Now he gotta turn around. Thanks for looking all the way back, bro. Nice. Let's go. I wouldn't even have to censor her. That's funny. Turn around. Need to start pushing back north, bro. I don't want to mess up nothing. That's how much fun I've had making this video. I don't want nothing to go wrong, man. That's how much I feel I've had fun making this video and everything with it, bro. All right, you guys, as the police creep behind me, we gonna go ahead and sign out live from Figueroa Street in South Los Angeles, man. I'm your boy, Elevated. Drop that like, drop that subscribe, and as always, stay elevated. Peace. I'm out.